All right. So let's talk letter C. All right. So let's go with Lizzie. What's my first step for letter C? Add 20 to both sides. Good. All right. That goes away. I get x squared plus 8x, big space, is equal to 20. All right. What is my next step? And Bradley. Right. So you would do b over 2. That's what you said, right? Uh huh. Mm-hmm. There, there you go. So you add 16, and if you do it to one side, we have to do the other side. Add the 16. Good. This will be x squared plus 8x plus 16 is equal to 36. All right. Blake, what's your next step from here? So we can't do that yet. All right, because that'll just kind of undo what we already did. So this is where you would factor it. So you would take square root of the first, last, keep the sign of the second. So what would you get, Blake? Right. So x plus 4 all squared is equal to 36. All right. So what's your next step, Eli? So now we're in solving. So what do we do next? We can't do that yet because it's in the parentheses. And so based off of SATMEP, we got to do something first. Square root both sides. That goes away. X plus 4 is equal to what, Eli? Plus or minus 6. Good. Guys, stop talking. All right, Sailor, what's next? Good. So I get x is equal to plus or minus 6 minus 4. Then what's my last step? Ashlyn. Good. Break it apart. Positive 6 minus 4, negative 6 minus 4. So x equals what, Ashlyn? Good. Negative 10 and 2. Any questions on that? So these are pretty easy solved by taking a square root or completing the square. If I ask you to solve by completing the square on the test, I would give you the easier ones. All right. But just know that you can solve any quadratic by completing the square. It just gets a little dicey once you get those a values that are not 1. All right. And also if your b value is not even, because we all know that if your b value is not even, that's when fractions come into play. All right. Okay. So do I need to do another one with you guys? Or are you guys pretty good? Speak now, forever hold your peace. All right. So your homework for tonight is page 25. So that covers what we did yesterday and today. And so you guys got a solid literally 50 minutes. So my suggestion is that after you finish this, you've done enough to do 2 out of your 3 one-pagers that you have to do. All right. So if you finish your homework, maybe work on your one-pagers. All right. Remember, if you want some of the long paper, it's over there by the fan. But you should be able to do every one-pager up till now except for the last one, because that's with the lesson tomorrow. All right. All right. So go ahead and get to work.